Enter Bollywood. Want to catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Well, we can only hope that this week's films do well at the box office. But पिछले 3 महीनों में Bollywood has already incurred losses over 200 crore rupees, and it's been a really bad quarter to start the year. So, what went wrong? ऐसे ही कुछ difficult सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है UTV Motion Pictures के CEO सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर. Welcome to the show, Siddharth.
Thank you so much for having me.
Siddharth, Q1 अभी तक अच्छा नहीं आया है. We haven't gotten great revenues. So, what do you have to say about that?
You know, I don't know whether there's any larger truth to it than just the fact that the movies didn't work. But probably when you look at the entire quarter as a whole, it's true. It hasn't been a great quarter for the industry. And I don't know whether to attribute it to anything but the fact that maybe the movies that we released in the quarter were not that great, and therefore people didn't want to come and watch them.
Okay, that's an honest answer there. Okay. आपकी फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं. UTV Motion Pictures की चांस पे डांस. That also did not do very well at the box office. What went wrong?
Probably the film didn't click with the audiences, and I guess we'll try better next time.
Okay, a film like Dulha Mil Gaya went for 30 crores. My Name is Khan, वो 90 crores की गई. So do you think high prices of acquisition are also to be blamed?
I would agree about the fact that not just the high prices of acquisition, but also the costs at which movies are being made today. In the last few years, a lot of money has come into the industry. A lot of new people have entered the industry wanting to make movies. And that actually has led to a supply-demand equation where the supply of money was very high. The demand for artists was high as well, but the supply of the artists was pretty limited. So when you've got a demand-supply equation of that nature, where the actual bankable artists who can open a box office are limited, and you've got more people wanting to make movies, it'll lead to the prices going up. And that pretty much is what happened.
Okay, what you were talking earlier was कि publicity में आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा रखा जाता है. You know, they spend quite a bit of money. So you think that is justified because it's only gonna get good for the movie, and that's about it.
You know, someone very intelligent once said that I know I'm wasting half my marketing budget. I just don't know which half.
Okay.
Which means, you know, it's not a science. So I think marketing costs should be viewed the same way as you view your cost of making the film. It is a cost that is integral to get the film to go out to audiences and be able to reach out to them. Having said that, what I do think the filmmakers are struggling with today is because of the fragmentation of the media and so many different media options available to the average audience. What's also happening is that the viewers are getting a bit jaded because they're exposed to so many influences at a point of time that to break through that clutter and tell them, listen, you've got to watch my movie, is you've got to hold them by the collar and shake them up and say, this is a movie that you've got to watch.
It's quite a task.
So it is quite a task.
Let's talk about your films. UTV Motion Pictures 15 फिल्मों के साथ आ रहे हैं, and I think 350 करोड़ रुपए लगे हैं उन पर. So what is your strategy?
Our job is really to be a one-stop shop for a writer or for a director who comes in the door with a script.
Okay.
So you come into our door with a script, we really love the script, it's something we want to take forward. We work with you on really getting the right cast for your film, budgeting the film, figuring out what is the revenue potential of that movie, and then going forward and marketing, distributing and syndicating it in a way that actually is able to maximize the profitability of that film. But it all starts with a script. So it's not like we tell ourselves we have to make so many movies a year. We've got to make the movies that really appeal to us, the movies that work for us creatively, and that we think we can monetize commercially.
राजनीति जहां एक ही सत्य है, जीत किसी भी कीमत पर.
Siddharth, tell me one more thing. This bad Q1 that we have had and the 200 crore loss that we have had, do you think this would serve as a wake-up call for the filmmakers?
I think it's got to serve as a wake-up call probably for everyone in the industry. I think on various levels. As far as the artists are concerned, I suppose they will also need to come to terms with the fact that probably the prices that are being offered at this point of time are on the higher side. Having said that, when you look at it from the artist's perspective, their logic would be, but if I'm being offered that price, then why would I not take it? So you've got someone offering that price. So it's got to be the filmmaker also who looks at things in sort of the perspective of, fine, I'm doing this right now, but it's something that I'm doing that is actually damaging the entire environment, which means that I'm making movies much more expensively than they need to be made. So I think if we look at our cost model very, very carefully and are able to get that into some sort of logical framework, that makes sense, which it used to be a few years ago before, things got really heated up over the last few years. I think that's extremely important because the revenues will be exploited and we will reach out to the 30 million South Asians who are living overseas in various ways that we can, and we will reach out to the Indians in smaller towns and smaller cities where probably you don't have that many theatres right now, and you will find new streams of revenue. But you can do all this, and if your cost model is not right, then it still won't add up.
Right. Point taken. Thank you so much, Siddharth, for being a part of this show.
Most welcome.